Hi everyone, this is Jody G from jodysjourney.com, just taking a video for you of the beginnings of ex-tropical cyclone Debbie. The rain is pouring down. It is Thursday and I believe it's the 30th of March today, and this is just the beginning of the deluge that we're getting here in southeast Queensland. As you can hear, the rain is just pouring. It's very wet everywhere we see. In fact, you can see there our water tank looks like it's overflowing. I don't know what we're going to do about that, but it's not even containing all the water that's coming down, and we've still got a lot to go. You can see here. I'll just zoom in for you. Water everywhere, coming down our water tank. Right down here. Looks like we're going to flood pretty quickly. And yeah, it's pretty bad when that happens. And the winds are going to get worse. You get gusts of winds every now and then. Something's fallen down here on my stand. There's our bamboo at the back here. So, bird bath getting filled up. And yes, we are in for it. Anyway, that's it. Here comes another lot of rain that's just pouring down. Really coming down. See it on the roof there. And our tank is going to be packed. So that's it for now. There'll be lots of crazy stuff going on later. Thanks for watching.